Alright, I'm finna expose my portfolio to y'all in this video right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna show you how much money I done made all together with my gains and the money I invested. But let me scroll down and show y'all all the companies that I own. You know what I'm saying? These all the companies that I purchased in the stock market. I done had Gap forever. But I feel like Gap gonna pop out. I'll probably invest more money into it. I feel like Gap gonna really do something. But let's go back up. Let's go to my Clear China Holdings outdoor company right here. So I invested I done made $190 and I only invested $115. And I own 88 shares. My goal is to own 100. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to Coke. $253. I done made $46 profit in gains back. You know what I'm saying? My value is $300. That's how much. If I sell everything, that's how much I'll be walking away with. $300. Apple. I done made $62 off Apple. I only invested $226. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some more shares of Apple too. Probably 10. That's my goal. My goal is to own 100, but let y'all read that. This is my Dior right here. You know what I'm saying? Like they own Dior, a whole lot more Moet, Hennessy, and now Louis Vuitton, and all the designer stuff. I'm down $6. I'm down $6. You know, that's just one of them investments. But it's gonna be back up though, I feel like. $22 with Snapchat. Sell my whole portfolio now. I'll be walking away with $163. And by the way, y'all need to start doing, and y'all need to, take notes. Go buy the company right now. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can be straight in the long run. Y'all won't have to worry about nothing. You know what I'm talking about? Consolidate. And we got Coca-Cola and Consolidated. They make all the borders for like McDonald's and Fanta, Sprites, and all that right there. You know what I'm saying? It's a good investment. Magnolia Oil and Gas Corporation. I'm glad I held this, bought and held this one. $69.53 on it. I done made my money back. $56 out. That's how much I invested. I done made my money back. Warner Brothers Music Group, WMG. Gates under this label. Young Boy. Thank Kodak. A lot of artists under this label. I invested $83 and made $6 back. Good investment. You know, music not going nowhere. Airlines not going nowhere neither. So that's $18.56. And, that's how much I made back. I only invested $67. $67, you know what I'm saying? General Electric. And I made $20.14 gains back on it. And I only invested $63.23. I feel like that's pretty good. Hershey. Another umbrella of the Coca-Cola company. $5.25 I done made back. I only invested $35. So my value at $40, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have some vaccine companies in the Frontier, the airplane, the aircraft service. Twitter, I just bought this one today because of Elon Musk. I seen that tweet. I was like, I'm finna go buy some Twitter stock. So I'm going to buy 50 to make it a full show, you know what I'm saying? But I done lost a penny on it, but it's going to go back up. Trust me, because Elon in on it. It's going to go back up, so I ain't really tripping. And my homeboy said put me on that stock. I seen him retweet it to his page, and he put me on it. And my Pepsi right here, y'all know I love Mountain Dew, so I had to buy in a Pepsi. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I love that Coca-Cola too. They neck and neck with me. I take either one. All right. So boom, y'all see that $500.33. That's how much how much money I done made from my gains so far. And if you want it in percentage numbers, it's 27.13%. That's how much money I done made and how much money I done invested. This my, you can say I invested like 1,800, but you know, this my portfolio all together. Like this with my gains and like how